guys, I'm back. I'm such a loser. Welcome back to my channel. Let me put my bottle down. So today I am filming for you what in the beginning seemed like I had no idea what I was filming, but I actually decided to do like a really casual, smoky meets cool tone look. I'm calling it my like Sunday girl casual vibe. So I don't know, let's just get started. All right, so let me clip my hair here so we can actually function well. All right, guys, so the first thing I usually start off with is moisturizer, a lip balm, and an eye cream because I want to make sure that the foundation and everything just like glides on seamlessly. The eye cream I am going to start off with is the Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. And I'm just going to take my ring finger and just spread it out nicely and evenly. This is hands down my favorite under eye cream. It's just so moisturizing and it's not too thick of a cream, so when you actually apply your concealer on top, it's not like cakey or awkward or, you know. For moisturizer, I'm gonna be taking my Tatcha water cream, another one of my favorites. The reason why I actually love this moisturizer so much is because it's a super thin consistency. It's almost water-like, so it's jelly water-like, but once you put it onto your skin, it just like disintegrates and it melts. And again, going back to like the cream key point for me is that it's not too cakey when you put on your foundation on top. For my lip balm, I am taking my Aquaphor. Love this stuff, it's so good. I'm gonna be starting off with my brows, and I'm gonna be taking the brow definer from Anastasia in the shade brown. Chocolate? No, I like chocolate. Start off with brushing my brows up. So with brows, I am a hot mess express. I like don't do a super outlined perfect brow. I like more natural, monolesque, bushy, but I do like a thick brow. So what I first start off by doing, just outline the bottom of the brow. Don't worry if it seems too harsh at first. We can kind of fix that after. Once I'm done with the bottom, I kind of shift up here. The brows are done and we are jumping onto something else. So fun fact about me, typically when I am going to film or I have desires to film, I will get my agenda and just like write down a bunch of like video ideas that I want. When it comes time to sit down and actually film, I am lost. And then I get overwhelmed because I don't know which one I want to film. And then actually, this is like no joke. And now I'm trying to figure out what palette I want to use. So I have the Tartelette in Bloom, which is neutrals. I have my Lorac Pro, which my friend gave me this. I also have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. And then I also have the Maybelline Lemonade Craze. Okay, I literally have no idea what we're going for today, but we're just gonna, you know what? We're just gonna roll with it. I'm gonna start off with this shade right here, Smarty Pants. I just feather it out. I think as I'm going and doing the makeup, I'm kind of feeling out what this look is really all about. So just let's consider this like a cute little going to brunch, Sunday, hanging out with my friends, my family, your loved one kind of look. Then I'm actually gonna take this shade right here, Jet Setter. It has grayish cool tone hues, so I just kind of want to like switch up the vibe here. But by actually adding this color into the eye, giving a little bit more dimension, smokier feel. See? Maybe I need to come in closer, but I'm gonna keep it cool together right now. But my last clip did not save my battery right now, and it didn't save the data. So I don't know what you guys saw last. This is frustrating, but I really want to upload this now. So I'm gonna walk you through really quick what I did. I took this shade here, Smarty Pants, on my crease, and then I took it up top here, and I did Jet Setter, which I went from like a warm to a cool tone, and then I took this shade here, Activist, which is like a deep mocha chocolatey situation, and I smudged that. So before I actually jump to my foundation, I take my Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow Primer. It's really the reason why I love this primer so much is because it adds a lot of like luminosity to my skin, and it just makes it look healthy and glowy, and it looks good under my foundation. We're gonna jump to foundation. I'm gonna be taking my Born This Way foundation from Too Faced. This is in the shade Light Beige. I think I've used this 100 times on videos. I like that you can make it super full coverage or you can make it super light. And lately I've actually been using it on a brush. This is the Morphe E56, and this is my go-to brush for my foundation every single day. I take 2 little dollops like that onto the brush, and then I start to map it out. So I'll do a little bit here. I'll do a little bit here. Adding a little bit more foundation. Not trying to kick it up, but Okay, so the foundation is done. We're gonna jump to concealer, and I wish I could tell you I have a brand new concealer to show you, but I don't. I'm still ride or dying with my Tarte Shape Tape. It's just the best in the color Light. And then I kind of have just been doing this like half moon underneath. So for concealer, I have also been using a brush. I have not been using a beauty blender, and this is the Morphe E48. I love this stuff. I know it looks really bright right now, but I love me a really bright under eye. I don't know. So to contour, I'm gonna be taking my little Smashbox contour stick, and I'm just gonna do like so. I don't have like a big mirror, so I'm just working with these little mirrors, or I'm not like used to. A little bit here at the bridge. I just brush this upward to a soft blend. My friends know that like I love to like add soft any sentence, so like I'm just gonna go get like a soft taco from, I don't know, Chevy's or something. I'm really weird like that, but just do like a little soft blend action, you guys. Contouring my nose here. We're gonna move on to a little bit of glow. I'm gonna add highlight. I'm gonna be taking the Marc Jacobs Do You Drops Boo Boo. Do You. And I actually did wet my beauty blender for that. So I'm gonna take a few. Whoop. All right, bronzer. We're gonna be taking Give Me Sun by MAC. All right, guys, now I'm gonna be taking my OG favorite product, and this is Lovejoy from MAC. And if you know me, if you've watched videos before, you would know that this is like an OG product that I love and I talk my ear out about. So I'm gonna take some of that. This is actually a blush. It's a mineralized blush, but I use it as a bronzer every day because it's like warm and crispy and it's such a vibe. So I'm done with Lovejoy, and I'm gonna jump over to blush because I love blush. I'm gonna be taking this little baby from Tarte, and the shade is Insightful. For the record, blush is one of the most beautiful components that you could add to your face when you're doing your makeup, because it just like livens it, makes you look all girly and feminine and fresh. Right, so now we're gonna jump to the under eye. We're almost done. I'm gonna be taking pretty much all the shades that I used above on my under eye. So I'm gonna start off with Smarty Pants. And I'm gonna run that along the lower lash line. I probably won't smudge the darkest shade under, but I am gonna add a little bit of that cool tone Jet Setter, so I'm gonna jump to that. So I'm actually gonna do my waterline, and I'm gonna be taking the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On in the shade Roach. My favorite creature in all the world. I'm gonna run that along my waterline. I'm actually super glad I added the liner, because I feel like it just ties the whole look together. Okay, we're almost done. I'm gonna take my mascara. We're gonna take our boy brow, and then we're gonna do a nice lip. So for mascara, I am taking my Monsieur Big mascara. Okay, so we're gonna move on to lips. So I'm just gonna take off all my chapstick. And I'm gonna be using my absolute favorite lip liner in the world. This has been my favorite lip liner for like a hot minute, and it is from Colourpop, and the shade is Brink. And please don't laugh, but this pencil is all beat up, but it's like my OG, and I bought 2 more, and it's in one of my bags or something. So I'm gonna line my lips here. It makes a world of a difference when your lips are hydrated, or if you had like lip balm prior, because the pencil just glides on so much easier. All right, guys, this is the finished look. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I know I go ghost all the time. I come back, I go, I come back. I don't know. I don't know what to say. But I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Hopefully you'll be seeing a lot more of me on my channel and on Instagram. But just so you can stay tuned, subscribe to my channel if you like this. Write in the comments if you guys want to know anything else, if you want me to film something specific. But yeah, thank you guys as always for coming back to my channel. For those of you that do, I'm very grateful for it. And I will see you guys in my next video.